Most drivers are quietly throwing money away on premium tire badges, while cheaper brands are running circles around them in real-world tests. Longer tread life. Better wet grip. Fewer blowouts. And nobody is talking about it. Today, we are covering 13 tire brands that outperform Michelin in key categories while costing significantly less, backed by wear data, independent testing, and real owner reports. Stay through to number 1 because it genuinely surprises mechanics who have been in this industry for decades. Before we start, if you want honest, no-nonsense vehicle advice that saves you money and keeps you safe, subscribe to Make Car Go right now. No brand deals, no paid rankings, just straight information. Hit that subscribe button and let us get into it. Number 13. Kumho. Kumho has been manufacturing tires since 1960, growing from a small operation making 20 tires a day into a global manufacturer with facilities in the United States, China, and Vietnam. That is 65 years of compound development packed into products that still cost a fraction of what Michelin charges. Their all-season models, particularly the Solus line, consistently push past 70,000 miles in real-world owner reports. Tire Rack's long-term data confirms steady tread wear, and Consumer Reports posts strong value ratings across multiple Kumho lines. Motorsports' involvement in the Formula 3 Euro Series and TCR World Tour developed compounds that filter down into standard passenger tires, improving grip and wear resistance. BMW, Mercedes-Benz, Volkswagen, and Hyundai have all used Kumho as original equipment. That factory fitment approval tells you more about reliability than any advertisement ever will. Number 12. Falcon. Falcon launched in Japan in 1983 with a focus on ultra-high-performance tires. Earlier models had serious quality problems including tread separation and recalls. That history is worth knowing. The modern lineup is a completely different product, and current long-term wear data shows strong tread wear across their range. Multiple Formula Drift Championship wins and results in events like King of the Hammers prove their compounds survive extreme stress, and that engineering carries into production tires. The Wild Peak series handles off-road and highway driving without burning through tread. The ZX all-season line keeps commuters covered with quiet, long-wearing performance. Many current models carry tread life warranties up to 80,000 miles, and J.D. Power ranked Falcon first for O-Truck and utility vehicle satisfaction in 2024. Number 11. General Tire. General Tire started in 1915 in Akron, Ohio, when hundreds of tire manufacturers competed for survival. Almost every one of them eventually closed. General is still here, now owned by Continental, which raised their quality ceiling without pushing prices into premium territory. The Grabber line for trucks and SUVs uses Duragan construction technology to resist cuts, chips, and early tread wear under hard use. Owners who tow regularly report strong tread life from the Grabber range. The Ultimax RT43 is their touring standout, ranked at the top of Consumer Reports' all-season testing and ahead of specific Michelin and Continental models in certain head-to-head evaluations. A century of engineering at mid-range pricing is a combination that is hard to argue with. If this is useful, hit like right now and subscribe, because the top 3 on this list will change how you think about tire buying permanently. Number 10. Toyo. In 2013, Toyo was caught in a federal price-fixing investigation and paid a significant fine. That is public record. It had nothing to do with tire quality, and their products have a long, well-documented track record of outlasting more expensive competitors in real-world use. Toyo has been manufacturing since 1945 and sells in more than 100 countries. The open country line for trucks and SUVs survives gravel, off-road terrain, towing loads, and highway miles without unusual wear rates. Baja 1000 and Formula Drift testing shapes compounds that resist heat-driven wear during summer. Their 2024 prototype, built from 91% sustainable materials, shows where their engineering focus is heading, and the Nano Energy line combines long tread life with reduced fuel consumption. Number 9. Cooper. Cooper stayed independent for over a century, while larger competitors merged or shut down. That survival reflects consistent product quality and genuine customer loyalty built on durability. Their adaptive traction technology and snow groove edges promote even tread wear across all conditions, which translates directly into more miles before replacement. The Discoverer AT3 XLT consistently earns some of the highest customer satisfaction ratings in the truck and SUV category, with owners regularly reporting strong tread life under towing and off-road use. Cooper achieves this at prices well below premium brands, which is why drivers describe them as delivering more miles per dollar than anything else they have run. Number 8. Yokohama. Yokohama has been manufacturing since 1917 and is well known in racing circles. What surprises everyday drivers is how directly that competition engineering translates into tread longevity on standard roads. Long-term tests consistently show Yokohama tires maintaining solid grip well into the later stages of their tread life, which is uncommon at this price point. Decades of endurance racing experience built thermal stability into their compounds, protecting everyday tires from the accelerated wear that hot pavement causes. The Avid lineup handles sedans and crossovers with smooth, quiet, long-wearing performance. The Geolander series is the standout for SUVs and trucks in adverse weather. Orange oil compounds keep the rubber flexible across temperature ranges without speeding up tread degradation. Michelin charges significantly more to compete in the category Yokohama already owns. Number 7. Hankook. Hankook has been manufacturing since 1941 and has spent decades closing the gap between value and premium performance. Consumer reports and tire rack data show the same pattern repeatedly: steady even wear, strong wet braking, and pricing 20 to 35% below comparable Michelin products. Their control technology system targets lower rolling resistance alongside improved tread block strength, producing tires that wear more evenly and stay quieter as mileage climbs. The Kinergy All-Season range is the commuter favorite for long mileage and reliable wet braking. The Dynapro series handles trucks and SUVs under towing and rough road use. Fleet operators choose Hankook specifically because the tread life numbers justify the cost per mile calculation. Number 6. Sumitomo. Sumitomo's tire division draws on over 400 years of Japanese industrial engineering history, and drivers who expect mid-tier performance consistently get something better. Rigid tread block design reduces the micro-movement under load that causes accelerated wear in less engineered tires. Their sipe and groove patterns move water efficiently out from under the contact patch, keeping wet grip consistent without the hydroplaning risk that less developed tread geometry carries. The Hatcher line delivers highway stability with even wear on sporty sedans. The Encounter series gives SUVs and trucks dependable traction with tread life that makes the price feel like a serious deal. Owners consistently report more miles than expected, often exceeding warranty estimates under favorable conditions. Number 5. Firestone. Founded in 1900, Firestone is one of the oldest tire brands in America and one of the most consistent. Over 120 years of engineering iteration, now backed by Bridgestone's resources, has produced a brand that understands long-distance durability at a deep level. The Destination series for trucks and SUVs handles dirt, gravel, and highway miles without unusual wear patterns. The Firehawk line gives performance cars better cornering and braking without performance tire pricing. Drivers report tires that wear slowly and evenly, stay quiet as mileage climbs, and hold grip in conditions where cheaper tires start to fail. A century of proven engineering at prices well below Michelin makes Firestone one of the most reliable value choices available. Number 4. La Fen is owned and manufactured by Hankook, which means it carries Hankook's compound technology and factory standards at an even lower price point. This is not a brand cutting corners. It is Hankook's strategy to bring solid engineering to buyers with tighter budgets. The G-Fit line targets daily commuters wanting quiet rides and fuel efficiency. The Z-Fit EEC handles performance driving. The X-Fit covers SUVs and crossovers across mixed terrain. Limitations exist. Some models underperform in heavy snow, wet traction drops off as tread wears, and tread noise on rough roads is more noticeable than higher-tier options. Within those limits, La Fen consistently exceeds expectations for the price by a meaningful margin. Number 3. Nexen. Nexen has been manufacturing since 1942 and has used AI-assisted tread pattern design and modern compound development to produce tires that quietly compete with brands charging far more. The clearest signal of their quality is original equipment status, with Volkswagen, Kia, Hyundai, Mdo, Porsche, Renault, Fiat, Mitsubishi, and Rom. Meeting those manufacturers' safety and durability standards is not something a mediocre brand manages to do. Drivers consistently report quiet rides, steady grip, and tread life that exceeds what the price suggests. Nexen typically runs 20 to 40% below comparable Michelin pricing. Drawbacks include limited extreme winter performance and higher rolling resistance on some models. Within everyday driving conditions, the value proposition is difficult to argue against. Number 2. GT Radial. GT Radial is the flagship brand of GT Tire, founded in 1951 and now operating across more than 130 countries. Citroën, Peugeot, Jeep, and Volkswagen have all selected GT Radial for factory fitment. It is also the official race tire for the 2025 Subaru Burst Super Series, meaning their compounds are validated under real competition stress. Drivers get consistent dry and wet grip, comfortable highway cruising, and tread life that regularly impresses owners who bought on price. Their eco-compound focus reduces rolling resistance, and their EV-specific lineup addresses the higher torque loads, increased weight, and noise sensitivity that electric vehicle drivers deal with. A full-range manufacturer operating at high quality with mid-range pricing is exactly what this spot on the list calls for. Number 1. Uniroyal. Here is the brand that surprises people every single time this conversation happens. Uniroyal has been manufacturing tires since 1892, and it sits in the middle of the market on price while delivering wet weather safety that goes head-to-head with tires costing twice as much. That combination, genuine premium-level performance at non-premium pricing, is exactly what this entire list has been building toward. Uniroyal built its brand identity on rain performance, and the engineering behind that identity is real. Their Rain Sport and Rain Expert lines use what they call shark skin technology, a tread and groove design inspired by how shark skin reduces turbulence in water. The result is faster water evacuation from the contact patch and significantly lower risk of aquaplaning and standing water on soaked roads. That is not a marketing claim. It is measurable in independent hydroplaning resistance tests, where Uniroyal consistently performs at levels that Michelin's standard all-season offerings do not always match. The Tiger Paw, All-Season Expert, and All-Season Max lines extend that reputation into everyday driving, delivering stable braking, long tread life, and quiet highway performance for drivers who do not want to choose between safety and savings. Uniroyal is backed by Michelin in North America and Continental in Europe, which means the manufacturing standards and quality controls behind the brand are the same ones that produce the tires sitting at the top of the premium market. You are getting that infrastructure at a price that makes sense for a normal person with a normal budget. For drivers who want the strongest overall combination of wet weather safety, long tread life, ride comfort, and fair pricing, Uniroyal is the clear number 1 on this list. While premium brands spend on marketing, Uniroyal spends on engineering, and in a rainstorm on a busy highway, that difference is the only one that matters. If this video changed how you think about tire buying, subscribe to Make Car Go right now. There are more videos exactly like this one coming, and you do not want to miss them. Hit subscribe, drop a comment telling me which brand surprised you most, and let me know what you want covered next. I read every single one.